Hey, fifth grade, Mr. May here, going over the directions for Kevin's raspberry cake. Kevin loves baking cakes. Here is the ingredient list for his favorite raspberry cake. The cake serves 8 people. Alright, so first things first, I see a really important note there that we might miss, and that is this cake serves 8 people. So the recipe below serves 8 people. Let's take a look at that recipe now. For one raspberry cake, you need 6 ounces of sugar, 2 eggs, 4 ounces of margarine, 5 ounces of cornstarch, 1 pound of flour, half pound raspberries, and 3.5 ounces cream. Today, there are only 4 people to eat his cake, so he will make half the recipe. He has begun by using half the sugar. How much of each ingredient should Kevin use? So again, one important thing I want to make sure that I know when I go to solve these problems is that we're only looking to serve 4 people, not 8. So we're going to make half that recipe. Looking down at the ingredient list below, Kevin's already halved the sugar for us. So we went from 6 ounces of sugar to now 3 ounces of sugar. Your job is to fill out the rest of the ingredients needed to serve only 4 people. On that second page, we've got 2 more problems. Let's take a look at them now. Kevin cut the cake into 8 equal pieces. 3 people had 2 pieces of cake, and 1 person had 1 piece. What fraction of cake was consumed? Shade in the amount on the cake above. Alright, so again, important numbers we're looking to identify here. The cake was cut into 8 equal pieces. 3 people had 2 pieces of cake, and 1 person had 1 piece of cake. Your job is to shade in the number of pieces that were consumed above. Question 3. Kevin is going to make his raspberry cake for a company party. There will be 20 people at the party. Kevin wants to make the cake large enough to serve 20 people. How many pounds of raspberries will he need, and how much cream will be needed? Again, let's identify some of those important numbers there. So he's going to be serving 20 people. How many pounds of raspberries are going to be needed, and how much cream is going to be needed?